Okay. Hi guys, so let's look at this question here. Now this question says that the cost price of 6 apples is equal to the mark price of 5 oranges and the cost price of 5 mangoes is equal to the mark price of 2 apples. Okay. So now basically these statements can be confusing because cost price of 6 apples and mark price of 5 mangoes. So what we do here, we make a small table here. Okay, let's say I make a table of CP and then I make a table for MP. It is for apples, it is for mangoes, right? So let's make a two different statement here. Okay, a two table kind of. Okay, and let's say because in the other part of the question I'm required to calculate for 2 mangoes and 1 mango like that, right? So we'll make this table for per. This is cost price of per apple. So basically cost price of 1 apple and mark price of 1 apple. Similarly cost price of 1 orange and mark price of 1 orange. Correct. Now another good way to solve such kind of question and don't make it too calculative is, let's assume the learn this method guys. Let's assume the total cost, what you're assuming here, to be the LCM of given data. What you take? You take the LCM of given data here, right? So for example, we have given here cost price of 6 apples is equal to mark price of 5 mangoes, right? So it is equal to mark price of 5 mangoes. So what I'll assume here is, okay, so the LCM will be, just a minute, mark price of 5 mangoes. Okay, so the total cost should be 30x, LCM of 6 and 5. So LCM of 6 and 5 is 30 and I need to take some variables to get 30x. Okay, so 30x is what? 30x is the total cost of 6 mangoes, right? That is cost of 6 mangoes and 5 mark price of 5 mangoes I've taken is 30x here. Okay, this if 6 apple is 30x, so what is the cost price of 1 apple? So cost price of 1 apple should be 5x. Okay, cost price of 1 apple should be 5x. Similarly, mark price of 5 mangoes is 30x. So mark price of 1 mango should be 6x. I got this? Okay, fine. Now here is a total cost involved here, right? Now this is only for first statement. Let's do it for second statement here. Second statement says that the cost price of 5 mangoes is equal to mark price of 2 apples. Correct. So what I'll be taking here is data as the LCM of 5 and 10, 5 and 2. So LCM of 5 and 2 this time would be 10. Okay, so LCM of 5 and 2 should be 10. So let's assume it to be 10y. Take it as 10y here. Okay, 10y. So that means the cost price of mark price of 2 apple is 10y. So what is the mark price of 1 apple? Mark price of 1 apple should be 5y. So mark price of 1 apple should be 5y and the cost price of 5 mangoes is 10y. So cost price of 1 mango should be 2y. So I got this data here, correct? So now this is a good way to understand and solve this kind of question, right? Now what this question further says that if the shopkeeper gives 2 mangoes free on selling 6 apples and makes a profit of 87.5%, right? So now shopkeeper gives 2 mangoes free on selling 6 apples. So basically I need to calculate the profit percentage on selling 1 mango. Okay, so now I'll just try to find some relation between x and y here. Okay, so now I'll just solve this question as I'll take it to be cause shopkeeper gives 2 mangoes free on selling 6 apple, right? So basically what is the cost price of this here? So now what shopkeeper is doing here, the cost price of this I'm taking here. Okay, the cost price. So cost price of 6 apples plus 2 mangoes that he's giving is, for 1 apple cost price is 5x. So for 6 apple 30x, and for 1 mango the cost price is 2y. So for 2 mango it is 4y. Okay, now what is the selling price of 6 apples plus 2 mangoes, right? So he is giving 6 apples plus 2 mangoes here, and bit I need to understand here that basically 6 apples and 2 mangoes is this in this 2 mangoes is giving for free. Okay, and his selling price is doing, he's selling at actually mark price. Correct. So if shopkeeper gives no discount, then mark price is only equal to selling price. If we go to shop, we buy any t-shirt, right? There the mark price is written, that MRP is written 1000 rupees. If it doesn't give any discount, then we need to buy it 1000 only. That's the selling price. So now he's selling at mark price in this case now, so that means not giving any discount here. Okay, so the mark, what is the mark price of 1 apple? It is 5y. So for 6 apple it should be 30y, and because this 2 mangoes is free, so it should be 0. 30y plus 0 is 30y. Okay, this is the ratio of CP is to SP. Now use ratio here guys, it will be very easy for all of you. Now see here, now profit is making of 87%. So profit is making of 87.5% is here. So what do you mean by 7.5% here? It is actually 7 by 8. We know this, right? As 1 by 8 is 12.5%. We have learned this in percentage chapter. So 1 by 8 is 12.5%. So 87.5% is 7 by 8. Now if it is 7 by 8, so that basically means what? Profit is always on cost price, no? Okay, that means on cost price, he's making a profit of 7 rupees. That means if the cost price is 8, then the profit is 7. Getting it, right? That what is selling price here? The selling price would be 15 rupees, correct? What does this ratio means? This ratio means that if the cost price is 8, then profit is 7. So shopkeeper bought something at 8 rupees, is making a profit of 7 rupees. That means selling price is for 15 rupees. So that's all in ratio, right? So I can just equate it, guys. The ratio of CP by SP here is 30x plus 4y upon SP is 30y is equal to, what is ratio of CP by SP? 8 by 15 is equal to 8 by 15, right? So once you solve this here, so you'll be getting the values here. So let's say I solve this, I'll be getting what? Now 450x plus 60y will be equal to 240y. That means x by y will be equal to 2 by 5. That's what we got here. X by y as 2 by 5 now. Okay. Now the cost, I need to calculate the profit percentage on selling one mango, no? So if x is equal to, so I just replace here, right? So I know the cost price of one mango and selling price of and the selling price here is 6x. Okay, so now cost price, I'll just write here that cost price of one mango is equal to 2y. So if cost price of one mango is 2y and is selling as the mark price, so selling price of one mango, or that is equal to the mark price, I can write, of one mango is equal to how much? Is equal to 6x. That is 6 into, now x here is 2y by 5, that is 2y by 5, that is equal to 12 by 5, that is 2.4y. So CP is 2y, MP is 2.4y. So what is the profit percentage, guys? Profit percentage is profit of 0.4 on 2 into 100, that is 1 by 5, that is 20%. So 20% is the answer for this beautiful question, and that's the best possible method to solve such questions, right? So basically in this advanced arithmetic series, all of you should watch this advanced arithmetic series. Every question I discuss here is having some concept which can be used in two to three questions, or at least 4 questions, right? Okay, so 2 to 3 to 4 questions you can use this concept. So basically if we are solving some 100 questions in the series, that is equal to solving some 300 to 400 good quality questions of arithmetic. Okay, so make sure that you guys are following this advanced arithmetic series. Okay, so we'll meet in the next video with another some good concept of arithmetic. And also this combat, guys. Okay, so this combat, you know, it's a very good test series. It contains some good high quality questions. Okay, so their easy questions are not asked here. So it contains only good medium and high quality questions with some very advanced concepts. Okay, and this from this Sunday onwards, it is in basically revised format. So basically we are moving closer to CAT right now. So in January, February and March we were like away, we are around 8 to 10 months away from CAT. So the questions we put off maybe some easier or medium level, right? But this from now onwards the questions will be of higher level. Okay, and all the LRD sets also, this quant questions also, and basically it's fun, right? Actually giving this is a fun, because after every question you get your live ranking. Okay, then after every question, the faster you answer, the better your rank is, right? You get more points. So actually those 1 hour test is a fun. And actually if you look at the CAT, you should give multiple sectional tests and tests before CAT. Okay, and this is one of your high quality tests, absolutely free of cost. And now from earlier it was not that rewarding, but now they have introduced some great rewards in this, I think. Okay, so rank 1 to 3 1 year subscription, I think around 20,000, or 75% scholarship, or 50%. So great prizes are on offer here. Okay, so get it live from your mobile app. You just put the link here. I'll this invite code you can put here, Ravi Rodha. It asks you for invite code. It is absolutely free of cost. Okay, ask you for invite code, put Ravi Rodha, and the link I'll put in description. Just enroll from there. Okay, and do give this every Sunday. Do give this at 12 p.m. It's on every Sunday. Okay, so every Sunday give this on 12 p.m. Thank you.